How to fix Wombo app keep stopping. So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So now in this video you will get to see how it works. Okay. So guys, at first you have to go in your setting once, and after going in setting, here you have to come in the app management, and after coming here you have to go for play app list. Now you can see this kind of interface loading. So after this you have to go for you can scroll down or you can just share for Wombo. So after coming here, what you have to do, come in the storage users and you have to clear data. Okay, so what you have to do, come in the permission ones and you have to just make it allow in this camera and storage. Okay, you have to allow in this spot. So after doing this, if it is not working, you can go back once you to your WOP, um and after coming you have to just, if it is not working, then just come here once and click in this for stop. Okay, just click in this for stop. So after doing this, go back once and come in the Play Store, and after coming here, what you have to do, just come here and search for Wombo app. Okay, so guys, in your mobile, if it is not updated, then you make sure that if it is showing updated, then you should be updated. Okay, so if your app is not going to be updated, then it work not properly. Okay, so guys, this is how you have to do, and this is the video, so thanks for watching.